Before I even get into the unboxing, I'm gonna let you know I'm a little disappointed because I did not receive the merch in time. Not saying I'm not gonna put the blame on Supreme on this, guys. You already know me and the Supreme go way back. I love Supreme. I love everything that it stands for. But let me tell you something. When you got this right here in hand, and I want to give you the first look, I want to show you the whole shebang. I want to show you the merchandise. I want to show you everything that comes with it. But it doesn't matter. You know why? Because you got the Primster right here. That's all that matters. So guys, let's get straight into it. Let's take a first look and unboxing and review and everything that goes with it, guys. I'm excited for this one 100%. I'm expecting good quality leather out of this. I'm expecting the goodness out of this. Classic feel. I'm expecting the classic feel. Let's get to it immediately. You already know. One shot right here, Dave Portnoy style with a massive cleaver. Gone. Come on, baby. All right. We're getting somewhere, baby. We're getting somewhere. Yes. That has nothing to do with anything. And I got the sticker right here, baby. Supreme. Supreme, guys. Supreme, bro. I'm starting to feel the Supreme vibe again. I'm starting to get the Supreme vibe again. I'm kind of lying about that. I've never lost the Supreme vibe whatsoever. Let's get these bad boys. Oh, yes. Get out of here. Look at this beauty of a box. Clean, bro, clean. This is how a box should be taken care of right here. Yes, I do keep the Supreme boxes, guys. You know that the Supreme boxes are special. I'm kind of full of crap. I'm not gonna lie to you. Maybe like in 2 weeks I'll burn it, but that's a different story, guys. It's just, guys, it's just so much space that is already taken up. It's ridiculous. Let me get off the horse crap. I will be honest with myself on this one. Let's get straight into it, baby. Let's get it straight into it. This is going to be brick by brick style too. Just go with it. Go with it. Let's start off with the box. Glossy black on the Nike logo. Very beautiful. I love this box. I love the whole blacked out box with the Supreme logo on the lid of the box and one right in the middle in the back of the box. That's a lot of boxes that I'm saying right there. As you guys can see right there, it has the little Nike logo on the right corner or left corner in your case. I'm actually touching it in the right corner, and I went with a size 10. When it comes to the sizing of this, guys, I'll get to it at the end for the simple fact, guys, that there's a little mystery with me and Air Max 1s that nobody could ever explain to me. I'll tell you at the end, and I'll even probably show you a little bit of a sample just in case you don't believe me. Let's get back into these bad boys. So besides that little side tangent right there of the sizing, you see right there Nike Air Max 187 SP. Now, getting into the inside of the box, it's just regular white paper, but it has nice silhouette of Supreme, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. This one deserves a yes. You know what I'm saying? But let's not forget that it also has the little Nike logo on it. It has the Supreme and Nike logo. Now that I got that footage out of the way, let's check out the actual first look of these bad boys. Oh, man. Yes. Look at this, bro. Whoa. Oh, man, bro. Let's check out the other one, guys. Look at this right there. What a thing of beauty when it comes to these shoes, bro. Box, you deserve for me not to throw you. You gotta take care of this one, guys. You gotta take care of the Supreme. Look at this beauty right here. This is what matters to me. I don't care about the box. This gorgeousness is what means to me. Sneaker collecting at its prime. This is some grilled shit right here. Excuse me for the word, guys, but man, this thing is nice, bro. Let's get straight into it. The first look is out of control, guys. At first glimpse, it is beautiful, man. What detailing, what everything. But let's get straight into the materials and let's get a good review of this. I'm gonna be enjoying it, guys. Mind if I stutter a little bit on it, because I'm enjoying it at the same time with you guys. This is my first look on it, man, and it's something out of control. So bear with me a little bit. I'm looking at the details while I'm actually reviewing the sneaker. But first, let me take off the little tag right here so I can get into the details of it, guys. Let me take off the little tag. Now let's get into this bad boy. You already know where I'm gonna start off at. The materials and the toe box. Look at this premium leather, guys, on this toe box with that little dot swoosh perfectly sewn onto the leather. I'm telling you guys, this leather is out of control leather. Oh yeah, it's nice, it's nice. Like I said, bro, it's out of control. Let's get back into it. Let's just get back to the footages. About to have a damn orgasm over here with this thing. Very, very premium. And you see right there, guys, right in the top, you see 1994 for the year that Supreme was founded. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that detail, bro, that is fire, bro. Now going into the tongue, you see the little steel plate right there embossed in Supreme. Very nice, very beautifully embossed too, guys. This ain't no chippy-lingy like I call it. This is the real deal Holyfield, man. This thing is printed on there Rolex style, if you know what I mean. The tongue is in full leather with the laces in jet black, going all the way to the top of the tongue. Now, once we reach the end of the tongue, you see the big Nike logo right there sewn onto the leather, and you see Nike Air Max in that classic Supreme box logo that everybody loves so dearly, including myself. Excuse me, guys, when it comes to Supreme, I'm the biggest hype beast, man. I love Supreme, and no, it's not because of now. It's for many, many, many years, guys. Since the late 90s, I've been a fanatic of Supreme. And now that I'm actually looking inside of the shoe, guys, I see the actual spare laces right there. I'll give you a little image of it. I'll give you a little image because I'm not going to tear it off right now, but the laces are in black and they say Supreme printed all over it. Odds are I won't put on them laces, guys, because I don't want to mess them up. I really like the way they look. I don't know. I'll think about it. Guys, let me know. Comment below. Will you put the Supreme laces on it or will you leave it with a blacked out? I don't know. I'm pushing more for the blacked out, not gonna lie. And going into the insole of the sneaker, you see the Supreme box logo printed into the insole and Nike Air right under it. Now going into the side of the sneaker, you see the dot swoosh that we have already spoken about with that premium leather all the way around. Before we even keep going, guys, the whole sneaker is wrapped in that premium black leather, wrapped completely. So I'm not even going to show you that much more of it because there's other details to look at, but just so you could know. Now getting into the swoosh of the sneaker, it has like a snake pattern embossment on it. Very nice. Nothing crazy. It's not a crazy embossment, but it is like it was like a snake skin type pattern. Very beautiful. Going into the back of the sneaker is where the nitty gritty, the heatanina is all about, baby. Right there in beautiful cursive letters sewn on all across the back, world famous. And in the bottom of the sneaker on the midsole, Supreme in very large font. Very beautiful. What a thing of beauty. I'm gonna tell you something, guys. This sneaker has gotten me very off guard. I didn't expect this beauty to be this beautiful. Not gonna lie to you, bro. This thing is nice, and it's even nicer when I actually hit in the Supreme app, guys. I actually hit in the Supreme app on these bad boys. I tried for the purple ones too, but I didn't get them. But after looking at this, we'll talk some more later on, guys. We'll talk a little bit more later on. Going into the midsole now, guys. All jet black all the way through the air bubble jet black, and the whole sole of the sneaker in jet black itself with the Nike Air. Nothing with Supreme. Doesn't say Supreme in the sole. It doesn't say anything like that. It's just clean and black. And it's the exact same thing on the right shoe. Not much else to say, but extreme quality. Very simplistic sneaker, but the details on it hits incredible when it comes to these shoes. This is an Air Max right here that from a mile away, everybody's gonna know. That's a sneaker enthusiast, obviously, is gonna know that this is a Supreme Air Max 1. No doubt about it. The sneaker, guys, is premium quality all the way through. When I say premium quality all the way through, this thing is no joke. It gives you big time premium feel when it comes to the leather. The leather is very premium, and it gives you that old school, maybe like late 80s type of vibe. Very nice, classic Reebok, all leather style. Very, very nice. Gives you that good vintage feel. And man, that back right there, world famous Supreme, they killed it on the sneaker, man. I am so glad I went after these shoes, and even more glad that I have to pay resale and I hit on the Supreme app, guys. But even though if you guys actually want these sneakers, you know, and you guys have no other option but to pay resale for it, they're not going that much higher. They're going probably for, you know what, now thinking about it, yeah, they are pretty high. They're actually going for like $100 more or something like that. After shipping fees and the whole thing and processing and all that, you're looking at maybe like $100 over retail. But I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a sneaker that you should have in your collection if you're a sneaker collector, especially if you're like me, that Air Maxes are on the top of the food chain when it comes to me. Once again, I don't compare Jordans to this. Jordans are on a whole different level, but this is definitely top 5. I love the Air Max ones. And when it comes to this colorway, what else are you gonna say, bro? All black sneaker with white, bro. This, you can't go wrong with this, dude. You just can't go wrong. This sneaker will go with anything. Very beautiful. And I would like to know your comments, guys, for real, on the shoelaces. Should I go with the Supreme laces or the all black laces? Right now, I'm pushing a little bit more for the all black. Now we're gonna get into sizing when it comes to these shoes, guys. And I bought these guys a size 10. And why did I buy them a size 10? I am very weird when it comes to Air Max 1s when it comes to fitting on me. I'll give you a prime example right now. In the little pandas, I'm wearing the Panda Air Max 1s, and these guys are a size 9.5. I bought these a size 10. But now I'm gonna show you a little something that I don't know why, in my case, this happens. I bought the Jellyfish, very rare Air Max 1. I bought the Jellyfish, and I'm gonna show you right now the sizing. Check that out, guys. The sizing on those shoes are actually 10.5. So I could wear a 9.5 and at the same time wear a 10.5, and they fit identically the same. Don't ask me why. I'm not talking about a little bit of a difference here, guys. Like, oh, it's a little wider, it's a little bit. No, identically the same. I could go a whole full size up and they fit identically the same. So what do? I just go in between, you know what I'm saying? Testicle style. I just keep it at 10 and they fit perfect. I don't even have to try them out. I know they're gonna fit perfection, and that's personally the way I keep it. Now, when it comes to my personal opinion, when it comes to it, like I'm always gonna tell you, try out the sneaker first in the store. If you can't and you wanna blind buy it, then I suggest going half a size up if you're very wide-footed. If you're wide-footed, go half a size up on the Air Max 1. And if you're narrow-footed, go true to size. But like I told you guys, these shoes fit very weird and strange when it comes to sizing. On my case, I could wear a 9.5 and I could wear a 10.5 and they fit identically the same. So what is your best bet, guys? Go and try them out yourself. I'm always gonna say that. I don't want to put the blame on me, especially the people that guide themselves by my reviews. I don't want to misguide anybody when it comes to sizing. That Primo, man, you guided me the wrong way. It is what it is, guys. I'm just being honest with you. Try them out yourself. But if I was to recommend it, or you want a guaranteed fit that you're not going to have any issue, even if it's a little bit longer or whatever, then go half a size up on Air Max 1. That's what I personally recommend. Comfortability, guys, you already know. I think these are extremely comfortable sneakers. Air Max 1s to me are super comfortable. They go with anything. I just love Air Max 1s. It's a staple. It's a classic. Let's be realistic, guys. There's very few people that are into sneaker world, sneaker collecting, whatever they want to call themselves. In my case, the sneaker aficionados that do not like the Air Max 1. It's very, very rare. But there is people out there. So, guys, as soon as I get all the merchandise for these bad boys right here, I'm gonna do another video. Of course, I'm gonna undestock them, let you know if there's any difference with comfortability, the whole shebang, guys. I'm gonna bring it to you, and not in a weird way, if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. Holy crap. Yo, I think I just flipped you off and I launched that thing. Oof. Peace.